Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the full process of downloading, installing Google Drive on a Windows 11 laptop. Whether you want to keep your files backed up, access them from any device, or sync important documents between your computer and the cloud, Google Drive makes that easy, and the desktop version lets you access Drive right from your File Explorer, just like any other folder. So, let's get started, step by step. On your Windows 11 laptop, begin by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser. Once it's open, go to the Google Drive download page by typing this address into the address bar, google.com/drive/download. Then press enter. This will take you to the official Google Drive download page. On the download page, scroll down to the section titled For Individuals. Under this section, you'll see a button labeled Download Drive for Desktop. Click on that button. The download will begin shortly, and a file called something like Google Drive Setup.exe will appear in your Downloads folder. Once the setup file has finished downloading, here's what you do next. Open your Downloads folder, or click the download from the bottom of your browser window. Double-click on the file Google Drive Setup.exe. A new window will appear asking for permission to install the program. Click Install. Then click Launch. The installer will now run and begin setting up Google Drive on your system. This may take a few minutes, depending on your laptop speed. Just wait while it installs everything it needs. Once the installation is complete, the Google Drive app will launch automatically. You'll see a window that says Sign in to Google Drive. And that's it. You've now successfully installed Google Drive on your Windows 11 laptop. This setup saves you time, improves file organization, and ensures you never lose your important files again. Thanks for following along.